Fleas and ticks are completely different organisms, even though everybody thinks they're very similar, so I kind of like to talk about them individually. Fleas, as everybody knows, are very annoying. They're a big nuisance and can definitely cause quite a few problems for our dogs and cats. Most common problems are obviously itchiness, and specifically, the symptoms of a dog having fleas would be, biting, scratching, more commonly at the tail base or at the rear end area, the hind end. That's where the allergy from fleas actually come from. So if you see a dog biting or scratching, anywhere on their body, checking for fleas is always very, very important to rule out first. Fleas, as I said, are in the environment, and dogs and cats get them any time of year. We always think of warmer weather being more common for fleas, but it's actually, we see fleas all year round, and that's why the most important thing to do for your pets is to put your dog or cat on a preventive that can hopefully protect them from fleas all year round. We don't see a lot of other serious diseases from fleas. That's where ticks can be a big problem. As we all know, ticks can affect any animal, including people. Ticks spread very serious diseases. A lot of the viewers have heard of diseases such as Lyme disease, Ehrlichia, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and there's many, many, many others that we know of. As I said, ticks can be quite a bit of a problem because they can also, just like we mentioned with fleas, they can be around all year round. It doesn't have to be real warm for a person or a dog or a cat to get a tick bite. And ticks, like I said, we don't always know exactly how long it takes to transmit a disease, and that's why ticks can be very serious. Even if they're on your dog or your cat for a very short time, there still is a chance that they could transmit a very serious disease. Symptoms of tick diseases in dogs or cats would be acting very lethargic, not eating, pale gums, sometimes trouble breathing, or even limping we can see very commonly. These symptoms, like I said, if seen, should be evaluated by your veterinarian right away. The good news about fleas and ticks, if there is any good news, is that there are preventives that we have that are extremely safe nowadays that we can use. We have a couple of these preventives on the table here. Some of them are available as chewables or treats that the dogs can take, and some of them are available as topical medications. Either way, definitely talk to your veterinarian about the different preventives that are available for your dog or cat. Basically, the preventives that we showed you, there's definitely many of them out there, and most of them to all of them are extremely safe. The good news is, like I said, it's as easy as giving your dog a treat, or your cat usually will use a topical medication, and that's it. We do recommend doing that once a month, year round, depending on the area you live in. Here in Missouri, we see these parasites all year round, so definitely that's why we would recommend using them like that.